In this lesson, we'll look at how the depreciation reducing balance method works within VBA. It is similar to the function that is built into the spreadsheet portion of Excel. The VBA declining depreciation balance function can be used to calculate the depreciation of a sum during a specific period. This has 4 arguments and 1 optional argument. The parameters of this function are as follows. There's the cost, and that's the main value of the asset. There's the salvage value, i.e. the value of the asset at the end of its useful life. There's the life, i.e. the number of periods the asset is to be depreciated over and how long it'll last. There's the period, and the period number for which you want to calculate the depreciation. And then there's the factor, and that's an optional argument used to specify the rate at which the asset depreciates. Using this function will provide you with an integer value. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.